Welcome to DecodeDesk, where we decode the language of the workplace for every generation. This project uses Supabase for our secure database, Netlify for fast global deployment, and a custom domain at DecodeDesk.site. We proudly display our Bolt.new badge on every page, meeting all hackathon requirements. You're looking at our beautifully designed landing page. The hero section highlights our value, AI-powered corporate and GenZ translations, with an inviting, try it now, no sign-up required, call to action. As we scroll down, you'll see core features, our choose mode interface, the reasons DecodeDesk is essential, animated testimonials from users, pricing plans, and another clear call to action. Everything is designed to be welcoming and intuitive. Let's jump in with a live demo. Anyone can use DecodeDesk as a guest, no login required. Guest users can access two translation modes, Decode Corporate and Decode GenZ, and can use the platform up to 15 times before being prompted to sign up or upgrade. In future, it will be reduced to 3. We'll start by decoding a classic corporate phrase. With one click, DecodeDesk instantly translates this into simple, plain English, bridging the communication gap for new hires, international teammates, and anyone puzzled by office speak. Below, we offer example phrases, so users can test the translator with real-world scenarios. After using your free translations, you'll see a friendly pop-up letting you know you've hit the guest limit. You can easily log in or upgrade to Pro for unlimited access and additional features. Currently, in the demo, you're not able to see because still lots of "Quet do I have." Now, let's log in. Signing up is quick with email and password. For security, we've temporarily disabled Google and Facebook login. Once logged in, the dashboard unlocks all translation modes for this demo. You can choose between decoding, generating new words, and translating between corporate and Gen Z styles. In Generate Corporate, enter a description like, a new buzzword for working late on Fridays, and our AI creates a fresh term, complete with its meaning, or ask AI to generate. The same goes for Generate Gen Z. Just type what you want and get a creative new phrase. DecodeDesk also lets you translate from Gen Z to corporate speak and vice versa, making two-way communication effortless. Explore the full menu. Track your usage in analytics, manage your buzzwords, update your account info and billing, and see our upcoming leaderboard. Throughout the app, you'll find visible Bolt.new badges and our custom domain,